Hello friends, this video is a kind of a giveaway video. So recently I have published a course on Udemy platform on topic Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming in C++. So if you go in Udemy and if you search for this course and if you want to purchase this course, you need to pay 400 to 500 rupees. But today is a Valentine Day. So what I have decided is to give you this course at zero amount. So it's a Valentine Day offer. So you can take the advantage of this auspicious day and you can enroll yourself in this course completely free. It consists of 27 lectures and each lecture is around 5 to 6 minutes on an average. So probably it will take 3 hours to complete this course. At the end you will be getting Udemy certificates. You will be having quizzes at each section. So probably this 27 lecture is divided into small subsections, and at each section there are resources, materials which are available. It covers all the important topics that you need to clear your semester exam, to clear your interview, whether you are appearing for internship interview or you are appearing for placement. So probably, as we know that this subject plays an important role, and in order to understand each and every topic, this course is suitable because it consists of detailed explanation of each and everything. So probably the course name I've already told. The coupon code which you can use to access it freely is Valentine Day. So what you need to do, I'll be providing a link of this course in the description box. Click on that link and after that go to the payment section, type this coupon code. After typing this coupon code, click on enroll for free. So after clicking on enroll for free, you will be having this course at zero amount. So probably you can tackle each and every object oriented programming related questions in interview as well as in your college exams. Okay. So the link will be in the description box. You need to click to that link. So after having introduction to object oriented programming in C++ in this search box, what you can see the courses which are available. So the course which is on the top, you need to click to that course, or otherwise I will be directly providing the link for this. So it will be, the view of this course is like this, like the topic will be there, then 73 students are already enrolled in this course. And what you need to do, you need to go in this section. In this section you need to go, and after that in this you need to type the coupon code, which is nothing but Valentine Day. After clicking on apply, your Valentine Day coupon code is applied and you can click on enroll now. So after clicking on enroll now, you can have the access of complete materials in this course. So probably this is a kind of a giveaway which I am providing from myself. You can use this course as a last minute preparation for your interview. Like before your interview, suppose your interview is 2 to 3 days, then you can use this course to prepare yourself. It will take at max 3 hours and it covers all the important topics that you need for your interview. So enjoy this day, and you can gift this course to your partner and can learn together. Thank you.